Happy 20th anniversary, Total Dev!
Happy 20th anniversary, Total Dev!
Happy 20th anniversary, Total Dev!
Congratulations on your 20th anniversary, Total Dev! More power and God bless!
Congratulations, Total Dev, on reaching another milestone. Best wishes on your company. Wishing you a memorable anniversary filled with joy and fulfillment. May this a testament to your hard work and dedication, and may continue to excel in the years to come. To all the staff, up to the top management of Total Dev Cooperative, happy 20th year anniversary and congratulations. Thank you.
My fellow cooperators, as one of the founding members of the Total Dev Multipurpose Cooperative, let me congratulate our cooperative on its 20-year founding anniversary. Many cooperatives failed, but not in the case of the Total Dev. A splendid performance, your 20th year of existence. Let me summarize these success factors that we have now. Number one, a fully knowledgeable board of management, and as well as the staff in rendering the services to our co-ops. Also, the member owners of this Total Dev Cooperative. This is one of the success factors, the patronizing the services of our co-op. Next factor is the coordinated communications within the community where it services. I am very confident in the near future, this Total Dev Cooperative will be a billionaire cooperative. With the aid of our divine providence, we will not fail. Mabuhay ang kooperatiba sa Pilipinas.
Magandang hapon sa inyo, mga kasamahan sa Total Dev Multipurpose Cooperative. Maraming salamat at naalala nyo ang isa sa mga pioneer ng cooperative na to. Natatandaan ko na ang unang parang pinaka simula ay nang nagkita kami ni Sir Dindo Buhay sa Landmark, kung saan sabi niya, "Boy, baka pwedeng pagtulungan natin na matayo ang isang cooperative na workers o manpower." Sabi ko, "Yes sir, sige po, pagtulungan natin." So doon nagsimula hanggang sa nasundan ng maraming meeting. At eto na nga, ako'y nagpapasalamat sa liderato ng Total Dev magmula noon. At ngayon ay, alam ko ay nasa sa antas na siya ng from micro, umakyat na siya sa antas ng mas mataas na antas ng cooperative. At isa sa ang Total Dev isa sa pinaka successful labor cooperative sa Pilipinas. Ito again sa pamumuno ng ang mga board of directors, si Dindo, si June Galang, si Puyang, sayang nga at wala na si Iñaki, at ang iba pa mga kasamahan na pursige upang hanggang ngayon ay nandyan ang Total Dev. So congratulations mga kasama. Panitiliin nyo ang buhay ng Total Dev Multipurpose sapagkat maraming natutulungan na mga workers pang ang kanilang quality of life ay maging maayos. Maraming salamat at kayo. Kamusta?
Time truly flies. Congratulations to Total Dev Cooperative on this incredible milestone. 20 years of impact, growth, and purpose. It's amazing to see how what we started 2 decades ago continues to thrive as a multipurpose cooperative, staying true to its mission of serving its members, partner companies, and the community. This success is a testament to the dedication and hard work of the board of directors, the management team, and all the leaders and employees who have continuously steered the cooperative towards excellence. Your unwavering commitment and collective efforts have shaped Total Dev to what it is today. Here's to many more years of prosperity, innovation, and shared success. Happy 20th anniversary, Total Dev Cooperative.
I deeply appreciate our cooperative's journey, achievements, and the incredible team that has made this success possible. I want to extend my heartfelt congratulations to everyone for reaching this remarkable milestone. Me and my children are very proud to be part of this organization as investors and look forward to many more successful years ahead.
Whenever I think of Total Dev Multipurpose Cooperative, three things come to my mind. A godly, God-fearing leadership, a goal-oriented, values-driven membership, and a growing, diverse business partnership. Those three things are top that makes Total Dev what it is today. And on your occasion of celebrating your 20th anniversary, let me greet one and all a happy, blessed 20th anniversary to all people who are involved. Total Dev is very much a part of my life. I've been part of your downs as much as I'm a part of the many ups of the history of Total Dev Multipurpose Cooperative. Kaya mas lalong napamahal sa akin ang samahang ito. Kaya dalangin ko na narinawa maraming pang taon ang suungin, ang bakahin ng ating samahan. At to all the people who are in the leadership at the helm of our ship, magpatuloy lang kayo na nagtitiwala, patuloy na lumalapit at kumakapit sa ating Panginoon, sa kanyang gabay, sa kanyang patuloy na patnubay upang mas lalo pang umunlad at lumago ang ating samahan. So, happy 20th anniversary to all the leaders and members of Total Dev Multipurpose Cooperative.
Happy 20th anniversary, Total Dev. This is Lori Santos of Philombesland Inc. Thank you.
Hi, Total Dev. I just want to take this opportunity to extend my warmest congratulations to all of you on your 20th anniversary. It's truly a remarkable, and I feel privileged to have been part of your journey for the past 19 years. Your dedication, professionalism, and unwavering support have been an instrumental in helping my previous companies and my current company as well, and all of your clients to meet our goals and thrive over the years. Thank you for being dependable partner and for always going above and beyond in delivering your excellent manpower services. Congratulations once again in this incredible achievement. Wishing you many more years of growth, positive impact in the industry. Cheers to a continued partnership. Happy 20th anniversary!